don't text and drive. Jenna Lewis will be sentenced today for the 2016 murder and sexual assault of Queens jogger Karina Vetrano. This comes after a judge denied a defense motion to throw out a guilty verdict regarding claims of juror misconduct. CBSN New York's Jenna DeAngelis is at Queens Criminal Court in Kew Gardens with more on this story. Jenna,
Good morning, Alex. It was an unexpected move when the judge delayed sentencing last week to hold a hearing on potential juror misconduct, but the judge ultimately rejected those claims. That means Lewis will learn his fate here today. Chanting while leaving the courtroom, the family of Jenna Lewis vowing to continue their mission to reverse his conviction in the murder and sexual abuse of Karina Vetrano. But in a few hours, they'll walk back into court for his sentencing.
I feel the Vetrano pain because they lost a daughter, but I too lost a son, and my son is not the killer.
Monday, the judge denied a defense motion to dismiss guilty verdicts against Lewis, claiming juror misconduct. At that hearing, juror Christopher Gooley was called to testify for the defense. Gooley said the jury foreman, Brian Morrissey, made a decision on the verdict on the day Vetrano's parents testified. The foreman allegedly saying to Gooley, quote, "I made my mind up already. I hope you did too," a comment which violates court instructions to not speak about the case before deliberations. Gooley's attorney spoke on his behalf after the hearing.
He was trying to do the right thing.
Gooley agreed Lewis was guilty of murder, but said he was on the fence about the sex abuse charges. He accused two jurors of using their personal experiences to evaluate evidence regarding that charge. Gooley said, quote, "I felt I couldn't get my opinions out."
I think there would have been a different verdict had he not been put, the kind of pressure been put on him, had there not been jurors who brought in outside experience from another rape trial.
But in court, Gooley testified no juror pressured him to vote to convict Lewis. Lewis's mother says she wasn't surprised by this outcome.
This hearing doesn't even matter because the judge already made up his mind, and this was what the judge was going to do.
The Vetrano family did not stop to speak to the media yesterday, but this is the day they've been waiting more than 2.5 years for. The sentencing will begin at 9:30 this morning. Lewis faces up to life in prison. Outside Queens County Criminal Court, Jenna DeAngelis, CBSN, New York.
Thank you, Jenna.